And everybody in the cafe looked at us. David was laughing. I was looking at his shirt.
Do you want to speak like a native? If so, you are in the right place.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
Today, we have some really funny English mistakes for you.
Wrong words, strange expressions, and some very confused faces.
Let's get started.
Lisa, yesterday I met my friend David, but my English, I think I made some funny moments.
Oh, really? Tell me.
Okay, so we were walking and we saw a beautiful building. And I said, David, let's make a photo together.
Oh, no.
And David looked at me very serious. He said, make a photo? You mean draw one? Paint one? With a pencil?
Oh, Tom.
I said, no, with the phone. And I did this, and he started laughing. He said, Tom, you mean take a photo.
Yes. In English, we say take a photo, not make a photo.
I don't take anything. The photo is not on the table. I don't take it with my hands. I just click.
I know, it's strange, but that's how we say it. Let's take a photo.
Okay, take a photo. But that's not all.
There's more? Tell me what it is.
So after the walk, we went to a café. We had coffee, we talked. Then the bill came.
And David said, don't worry, Tom, it's on me.
Aw, that's sweet.
Lisa, I was confused. He said it's on me. So I looked at him.
I looked at his shirt, his jacket, his arms. I said, David, what is on you? I don't see anything on you. You are clean.
No.
And everybody in the cafe looked at us. David was laughing. I was looking at his shirt. Then he said, Tom, it's on me means I will pay.
Yes. It's on me means I'll pay for you.
Now I know. So, Lisa, today, these coffees, it's on me.
Oh, thank you, Tom.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
Can you take a photo of me? Can you take a photo of me?
Let's take a photo together. Let's take a photo together.
Don't worry about the bill. It's on me. Don't worry about the bill. It's on me.
You paid last time. Today, it's on me. You paid last time. Today, it's on me.
Betty, give me the control, please.
Control? Control of what, Frank? You already control the sofa, the snacks, the kitchen.
No. The control. The button thing for the TV.
You mean the remote. Say, pass me the remote or give me the remote.
Remote? What is remote? It's a control. I control the TV with it.
I know, Frank. The full name is remote control. But we just say remote. Where is the remote? Give me the remote.
Okay. Betty, can you give me the remote?
Here you go. But Frank, you know, you sit on this couch every evening. Every single evening. You watch TV for hours and hours. You know what you are? You're a real couch potato.
A potato? I am your husband for 45 years. And now I am a potato? A potato is in the kitchen. In the soup, I am not a potato.
Frank. Couch potato is an expression. It means a person who sits on the couch all day and only watches TV. Calm down, Frank.
Sits all day, watches TV.
Doesn't move.
Yes. Okay, maybe I am a little couch potato, but I am a handsome couch potato.
Oh, Frank.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
Can you pass me the remote? Can you pass me the remote?
I can't find the remote anywhere. I can't find the remote anywhere.
My brother is a couch potato. He watches TV all day. My brother is a couch potato. He watches TV all day.
Don't be a couch potato. Let's go outside. Don't be a couch potato. Let's go outside.
Tom, come on, it's late.
1 minute, 1 minute. Where are my sunglasses? Lisa, wait me. I'm coming.
Tom, not wait me. Say, wait for me.
For me. But you wait and I come. You wait me. What is the for doing there?
In English, you always need for after wait.
Wait for me, wait for the bus, wait for your turn.
So the bus also needs for?
Yes. Everything needs for.
English has too many small words, Lisa. Okay, wait for me. 2 seconds.
Hurry up, Tom.
Okay, I found it. It was in the kitchen. Okay, I'm ready. Sunglasses, water, sandwiches. Let's go.
Finally, I was waiting for you for 10 minutes.
You see? You also wait for me.
So much waiting, so much for.
Very funny, Tom. Now come on, let's hit the road.
Hit the road?
Yes, let's hit the road.
Lisa? The road is very hard.
If I hit the road, my hand will break. Like this? You want me to do this?
No, Tom.
And also, I think hitting a road is strange. People will look at me. Look at that man. He is hitting the road.
They will call the police, Lisa.
Tom, stop. Hit the road is an expression. It just means let's go. Let's start our trip.
Hit the road. Just let's go? Why not just say let's go?
Because hit the road sounds more fun, more exciting.
So, no hitting?
No hitting, just going.
Oh, good. Because I like the road. It's a nice road. I don't want to hurt it.
Okay, Lisa, let's hit the road. But softly, very softly.
Just get in the car, Tom.
We are hitting the road, but not really hitting, just driving nicely.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
Can you wait for me? I'm almost ready. Can you wait for me? I'm almost ready.
We waited for the bus for 20 minutes. We waited for the bus for 20 minutes.
It's getting late. Let's hit the road. It's getting late. Let's hit the road.
We should hit the road before dark. We should hit the road before dark.
Now, let's review everything we learned today.
Let's say them all together one more time. Here we go.
Can you take a photo of me? Can you take a photo of me?
Let's take a photo together. Let's take a photo together.
Don't worry about the bill. It's on me. Don't worry about the bill. It's on me.
You paid last time. Today, it's on me. You paid last time. Today, it's on me.
Can you pass me the remote? Can you pass me the remote?
I can't find the remote anywhere. I can't find the remote anywhere.
My brother is a couch potato. He watches TV all day. My brother is a couch potato. He watches TV all day.
Don't be a couch potato. Let's go outside. Don't be a couch potato. Let's go outside.
Can you wait for me? I'm almost ready. Can you wait for me? I'm almost ready.
We waited for the bus for 20 minutes. We waited for the bus for 20 minutes.
It's getting late. Let's hit the road. It's getting late. Let's hit the road.
We should hit the road before dark. We should hit the road before dark.
Great job today, everyone.
You practiced 6 new expressions. That's amazing.
Now it's your turn. Pick one. It's on me, couch potato, or hit the road, and write a sentence in the comments.
We read every comment, so go ahead, show us what you learned.
See you in the next video. Bye!